Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you Android Sketch Photo Maker app. You will find so many apps in Play Store to make Sketch Photo Maker. For instance, you can just go to Play Store and you can just search for in the top search bar Sketch Maker app. Now you can just install this app here, Sketch Drawing Photo Editor. Just install it. Now after installing this app, just launch this app. Now you need to just select your photo from gallery camera. I'm selecting from gallery. Now after selecting the photo, you can change the shape just like this. I'm selecting the original shape. And after selecting it, click the top right arrow icon. Now you need to just change it like this. You can change by applying effects. There are so many effects here that you can change by swiping. You can choose filter in the top. You can choose effect as well. And you can choose also editor, the third option in the top. You can edit the photo just like anything you want. And after it, just click the top right download button and click on save. And by this, you can just save this photo. So guys, that's the Sketchmaker app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.